Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be making a chicken cordon bleu using Virginia Christmas ham. And so here is what we're going to need. We're going to need some chicken breasts, we're going to need some mozzarella cheese, and some Christmas ham. So as you can see here, I have my Christmas ham has been thinly sliced in a meat slicer. You can use a meat slicer if you'd like. So here I have a chicken breast. So gently, I'm going to slice this chicken open. As I slice it open, there, it's already making sort of like a butterfly shape. And that's what we want. So here I'm gonna get some parchment paper. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pound the chicken because right now it's a little too thick. And so what we want to do is we want to make it a little thinner. So I have a frying pan here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pound it. So you can see it's getting a little more thinner. So now our chicken breast is nice and even. Okay, so now I have my cling wrap, and what I did is I placed it here on the table, and we have our pounded chicken breast. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna gently season it with a little bit of salt, a little touch of pepper. Yeah, it's good. Now we're gonna get our Christmas ham, thinly sliced. I'm just gonna gently put that here. You can go crazy with the ham. You can add one more if you like, which I am. So I'm going to put one more slice of ham. Now I have my thick slices of mozzarella, and I'm going to carefully place them here. And this is the sort of crazy part. We're gonna put flour on it. So why am I going to put flour in it? So flour, when it becomes wet, it's almost like a glue. So pretty much the flour is gonna help retain the shape of the chicken cordon bleu. So you don't have to put a lot, just like a touch. So once this becomes wet, it will help the chicken come together. And I'm going to gently close the chicken breast. So here, watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna carefully lift it. As I lift it, I cover it, and then I'm gonna roll it, almost like a sushi, you know? And as I roll it, I'm going to make a little folded side of the cling, and I'm gonna gently roll it and roll it. And now we're gonna roll it tightly, so like that. So going ahead of you. Okay, so now this is ready, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this in the freezer for 1 hour, and this is very crucial. All right, so here we are after 1 hour. This is our chicken cordon bleu. Now as you can see, it retained a nice log shape, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do a dry, wet, and dry batter. Okay, so I have my flour. You can use all-purpose flour. I have my egg batter here, and then I also have my breadcrumbs. So here, so you want to coat it with the flour. So you see, it rested for 1 hour in the it stayed in the chiller or the freezer for 1 hour, so it really retains the shape. So now it's already well coated with the flour. I'm going to gently place it on my egg wash. I'm gonna get some 2 spoons and gently pour it around, nicely coated with the egg wash. I'm gonna gently put this in here with the breadcrumbs. So here, I'm gonna gently coat it on my Blitz breadcrumbs. So once that's well coated, make sure to get every side of it. So we're gonna place this in the freezer for 1 hour. All right, so we're back. And now, as you can see, the breadcrumbs of the chicken cordon bleu has really combined together. So it's really gonna hold on together as we deep fry it. It's there, it's starting to bubble. So we put it in, okay? So I'm gonna increase the heat. And so what I'm trying to achieve here is for it to become golden brown. So what's chicken cordon bleu? Pretty much it's a classic French dish. And it's really a nice commonly dish as well as us Filipinos. We're sort of familiar with it. Okay, so now our chicken cordon bleu here. And we're gonna finish it in the oven for 10 minutes. All right, so after 10 minutes, this is the result. There's still gonna be nice mozzarellas in it. We developed a nice crust. Okay, so we're gonna cut the center. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Nice and moist. It's not too dry, it's not undercooked. It's just right. So I'm gonna plate it. I'm gonna put my pineapple sauce onto the plate. Okay, finish some parsley. There we have it. Chicken cordon bleu stuffed with mozzarella and of course Virginia pineapple Christmas ham.